Blessings, welcome back to our channel. Before you watch this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Well, today we're gonna be making cookies, and so the ingredients are cookie dough, wax paper and pans, and some oven. Hi! Step 1, you cut a piece of wax paper. Make sure you don't cut yourself with this thingy. Got it. Now, opening up this cookie thing. Make sure before you touch the cookie dough, you wash your hands. So, get ready for the reveal. Oh. Ooh! Look at this. Looks good. Cut it by using the lines. I don't want to hurt myself.
It's funny.
There, see, boom, this. See, I don't know how to do it. You're the mom. Can I cut one? Moms know everything. You didn't do a line. They look good like that. That's how you do it. Okay, Mom. Now you put these thingies on a thingy. It's called a tray and cookie dough. Square. Make sure you leave space so they can spread out. About an inch. Mom, is that an inch?
Do it with your thumb. Like from right here to right here is an inch.
I mean, I guess.
You can preheat the oven.
Ooh. You gotta preheat the oven. If you have any like doubts, you have this. Instructions. Instructions. Now we're gonna do this again because they don't fit in one tray, so. Okay. I did it quickly. Okay, do this thing again. Deliciousness. Yeah, there's a lot of space left. I'm gonna try it.
Wrong.
Don't do it. It's bad for you. It's not bad.
But is it good?
It's not the greatest, but I can take it.
And this is where you guys are gonna drop down that emoji with the vomit. Yeah. You guys want some raw cookie dough? Have some, guys.
So it's done preheating and it took so long, but I'm finally gonna put these cookies in the oven. Hopefully they turn out good. The oven's like on me, you know? Be careful because it's very hot. Don't put it side to side or...
Yeah.
It's like blowing hot air at me. It says right here to bake 11 to 12 minutes until golden brown. So yeah. How do you put the timer? Oh. We're gonna put the timer on the microwave. So I'm gonna put 11 minutes because I don't want them to burn. Oh, that's 10 minutes. Seconds. That's seconds. Oh my god. 11:00. Okay. There. Did it. Be careful, guys, because this is what happens when you use wax paper. Woo! Gradually check on your cookies. Make sure they're not on fire. The microwave beeped at me, so I think they're done now. Wait, do I get a toothpick?
Just for cakes.
I do that. No, I can't. Okay, got it. It's burning my face. See, I told you, it screamed at me. This is to make it flat. I don't want it flat. I want it fluffy.
Okay, so then don't bring it.
I don't want to make it. Make sure you don't burn your house. Oh yeah, that one too. What? They're bad? Is it hot?
I just ate one, guys, and it's good.
Yeah.
You guys want some?
I want one. Thank you so much for sticking with me and my horrible cooking, baking. Bye. Oh yeah. And like we always say, God bless. Peace out.